Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme name changed and various provisions of it also changed. Let's see about it. New name is Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar Ajivika Mission Gramin. Its short form is VBG Ramji Bill. It replaces Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Act is of 2005. Let's see some information about MGNREGA 2005. 2005 Parliament enacted the Act. 2006 it started in 200 districts. 2008 launched in whole country as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Ministry of Rural Development. Under Ministry of Rural Development, it is a centrally sponsored scheme. Core of the core scheme, it is does not 100% funded by Union government. Central Employment Guarantee Council under chairmanship of Rural Development Minister. It advises Union government on all matters related to MGNREGA implementation. Central Employment Guarantee Council is for the advisement of all the matters related to MGNREGA to Rural Development Ministry. MGNREGA promises to give minimum 100 days of unskilled manual labor to rural households. There is one question in which it is said that MGNREGA is for individual but not it is for the households, as here written, whose adult members volunteer for it. Households are eligible for unemployment allowance if employment not provided within 15 days of demand. MGNREGA laborers are used for creating durable assets as per local needs like ponds, wells, cattle sheds, granary, vermicompost plants, crematorium, renovation of Anganwadi centers, school buildings, playground. No contractors or machinery allowed. Minimum 60% of the work in every district needs to be directly linked with agriculture and allied activity. In any project, 60% of amount should go towards wages and 40% towards material. Union bears 100% wage cost. And 75% material cost. Over the 5 crore households have taken employment under scheme. More than 50% of MGNREGA workers are women. From 2018 to 22, social audit of MGNREGA work is done by Gram Sabha once in every 6 months. MGNREGA wages are linked to Consumer Price Index, agricultural laborer. Please remember it. It is linked to CPI, agricultural laborer. In Corona, MGNREGA daily wages are increased from 182 to 202. Highest daily wage is in Haryana. In 2024-25, it is 374 in Haryana, and lowest daily wage in Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, 234. All India average is 289 rupees. Let's see what is changed in the VBG Ramji bill. In this, 100 days is increased to 125 days. Previously, in MGNREGA approach was bottom up approach. In this approach, scheme is demand driven. Means when demand arises from rural areas, demand for employment arises from rural areas, then fund should be increased from central government for them. But now it is changed to top down approach. In this, central government will decide how much fund should give to rural areas. Before it is a special funding type. As we have seen, wages to unskilled, all wages 100% is given by center, and material cost is given 75% by center and 25% by state. And now it is become centrally sponsored scheme, in which in centrally sponsored scheme 60% is given by center and 40% given by state. And Himalayan and special status or northeast state, it is 90-10 ratio. Center give 90%, 90 and state give 10. In this article in The Hindu, there are we have covered all the things which are said in the article, but there are some things which are important for main answer writing, such as reason behind states poor fiscal health. Means many states in India now facing poor fiscal health because GST introduction, it reduces income of the state. Populist cash transfer, like in Maharashtra Ladki Bahin Yojana, in Madhya Pradesh Ladli Bahina Yojana, free electricity and free transport. And in this article, it is given about Mahatma Gandhi's some ideals which can be used for ethics paper and various answers. Like Mahatma Gandhi has ideals of Gram Swaraj. Gram Swaraj means democratic decentralization. He also visioned for Ram Rajya. It means good governance. And he also visioned from grassroots democracy. Thank you.